A very warm welcome to Mining Review Africa, and today we are speaking to Khomotso Duiker of Sandvik Mining and Rock Solutions. Khomotso, thank you for joining us today. Now, the topic for today is on underground mining. Talk to me about the trends that are shaping underground mining, particularly in the drilling space, and how is Sandvik adapting to these trends?
So, thanks for the question. We see a lot of our customer base in the various minerals looking at improvements required in the safety of the operation, both the drilling and the bolting. The big goal for them is now to move the man away from unsupported ground more and more as they seek to reduce the effects of the incidents of fall of ground and the various hazards that are in the underground environment. So with the products, we've gone on a journey to introduce digitalization and automation as our main strategy to allow for this to happen, where the machine is capable of doing a lot more of the operation without the human intervention.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, there's an interesting point you mentioned there, a journey. So with the introduction of automation and digitalization, talk to me about how you ensure that your customer benefits from these solutions that you offer.
So we firstly, market it, showing them from value proposition phase as to the advantages of moving in this direction. Obviously, the digitalization and automation will allow them to get better efficiencies in their operation as they are able to drill more accurately and bolt more securely without being as much dependent on the operator's skill level. And this is what we sell mostly, where the end result is the desired profile that's guided by the machine more. And one is able to ensure that the machine is performing without damage, able to do the process in the optimum way, resulting in a cleaner profile, less underbreak and overbreak from the drilling and blasting process. And then because of that now, you are able to bolt a lot safer. And also with the products, bolting machines, introducing that capability means that they're able to run the bolting cycle with less of the man going to the front face under unsupported ground. So you can do your whole bolting cycle without having somebody go to the front face. That's the path that we're going. So the journey part of it is we have to sensitize the customer base that, the operator skill level has to pivot a bit, where they have to get used to more like joystick digital environment versus your lever, hydraulic, mechanical that they were used to. And also the technical skills that has to take care of this equipment also has to evolve to be more like a mechatronics inclined person that mixes the electrical as well as the mechanical in one discipline.
Okay. Now, you've touched quite a bit on safety, but another key aspect of modern day mining is sustainability. So tell me about how is Sandvik ensuring that mining operations, particularly in the drilling space, is more sustainable and more energy efficient?
It's actually a key part of Sandvik's strategies. And, from a sustainability point of view, we have got products that have been developed and are being rolled out to the range of equipment 400 series right down to 200 series. The one big one that is now readily available in the 400 series is what we call battery electric vehicles, BEV equipment, which is a total battery powered powertrain to reduce, emissions when you're tramming. You still plug into the mine's gully box power when you're drilling. But in tramming, there's battery powered. The results of that is that you're emitting less emissions in that environment. You can save also in other benefits in terms of less to ventilation required.
Yes.
And it's a cleaner environment underground there.
Okay.
Yeah.
One final question, Khomotso. Sandvik Mining and Rock Solutions has always been at the forefront of technological advancements, talking about the I-Series, talking about Automine. What can we expect within the next 3 to 5 years from the company?
So we're currently in a period of renewing our strategy from a group level. But, broadly speaking, rolling out this automation and digitalization throughout our products with a strong focus on continuous improvement. So in this area, this region, Southern Africa, we mostly deal with platinum miners that are in the, call it low profile, less than 2 meter envelope. So we are busy developing products that we call I-Series, intelligent machines in terms of drills and bolters that the miners are looking forward to. This will allow them to be able to drill more efficiently and be able to measure while drilling and move through the various efforts, levels of automation, from one-hole automation to eventually the maximum, which is full-face automation. And the products from factory point of view, they continue to develop them. We do have a prototype that's been communicated to the market called Amelia, which is the ultimate drill rig that doesn't actually have an operator cab. So you can run this machine completely autonomous.
Great stuff.
Yeah.
Well, Khomotso Duiker of Sandvik Mining and Rock Solutions, thank you for joining us on Mining Review Africa today.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Great stuff.
Thanks for your time.